The Dacia Jogger is a practical 7-seater family car with a starting price from a little over £18,000. So you're already getting an impressive amount of people-carrying car for your money. However, when the all-new Jogger is equipped with its optional sleep kit accessory, it becomes something else. For around £2,000 for the pack that includes the tailgate tent, its owners can enjoy the great outdoors and get more from their car on a modest budget. The sleep kit fits into the boot of the car and replaces the third row of seats. It weighs less than 50 kilograms and it's removable. Assembling the sleep kit is a straightforward process. Fold down the second row of seats and tilt the front seats forward to make as much space as possible. Pull out the concertinaed wooden structure and then 2 slats of wood fit neatly into place to create the supporting structure. A wooden panel then unfolds from the back to cover the base and complete the bed box, ready to add the mattress. 2 extra foam side panels velcro into place, and there are additional blackout blinds that slot into the windows to keep the light out. Once set up, you have a solid bed. The mattress isn't very thick to save space, but it is made from memory foam. With the bed in place, there's still a storage area in the boot with a capacity of up to 220 litres, although you might need a roof box if you have much kit to carry. When it comes to living space, there isn't obviously very much, especially with the front seats pushed forward, but that's where the tailgate tent comes in. This is a poled structure, essentially a dome tent with an extended porch, and it attaches to the car's open tailgate. It has an inner tent in the middle, but no ground sheet outside of that. Rather than a solution for a fortnight's family holiday, this might be the answer for drivers who want to add camping functionality to their cars. You wouldn't be allowed to set up and sleep inside the car on a club site. You would need to sleep in the tailgate tent, although note the footprint would not fit on a normal club pitch. It would, however, make a great option for festival camping though. It's a clever design, and bearing in mind the low cost, if it fits your driving and camping needs, then you're getting a practical addition to your everyday driving vehicle for comparatively not a lot of extra cash.